Upchain provides document objects that facilitate the management of pertinent non-CAD product development artifacts. Documents may be linked to other documents or bill of materials items, and they help to facilitate full product definition within Upchain. The web viewer provides a full complement of navigational and markup tools, including annotation, shapes, stamping, and much more. Loading documents into Upchain is as simple as drag and drop. Upchain's plugins for Microsoft Office and Outlook seamlessly integrate your Microsoft Office environment into Upchain. In fact, virtually all Upchain functions can be performed from the plugin itself. I never have to leave my Microsoft environment. To work on a document, I simply select the red checkout button. Then we simply make our change. And check back in. Creating a relationship from a document to a bill of materials item is simple and intuitive. In conclusion, Upchain's document management and visualization makes it very simple to manage virtually any type of file or electronic artifact. This facilitates full product definition and ensures documents are integrated into product development workflows.